Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 111 of part 2. Given the finite linear pattern 12, 17, 22, and 172. So it means this pattern ends at 172. Determine the formula for the nth term of the pattern. So we're finding the general term, or we're finding Tn. That is the nth term. That is the nth term. Tn is equal to an plus b, where a is the constant difference. So we have to find the constant difference here. So it's 12, 17, 22. Right, so what is the difference? 17 minus 12 is 5. It is term 2 minus term 1. Term 3 minus term 2. Right, and then 22 minus 17 is 5. So the constant difference is 5. So we say Tn is equal to 5n plus b. And then now, how do we find b? We can use any term. Let's use maybe term 1 here. Then our term 1 is 12. Term 1 is 12. So we say 12 is equal to 5 is term 1. So it means n is 1. 5 times 1 plus b. And then 7 is equal to b. Therefore, Tn is equal to 5n plus 7. That is the nth term. So we can use any term to find b. Let's use term 3. I want you to see that we can find 7 still. Let's say we're using term 3. We're going to say 22 is equal to 5 times 3 because n is 3. And then plus b. And then 22 is equal to 15 plus b. And 22 minus 15 is 7. You see that you can use any term, but make sure that you substitute appropriately. 22, so you're using n. N, you're using what? You're using 3. So therefore, Tn is equal to 5n plus 7.